Hello kids, I am Miss Pooja from Twinkling Kids Preschool. Today I am here with some letter sound and words begin with the same sound. Let's get started. This is uppercase S and we also call it capital S. This is lowercase s and we also call it small s. This is uppercase S, this is small s. The name of the letter is S, 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 S. The name of the letter is S, 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 S. The sound of the letter is S, 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 S. The sound of the letter is S, S, S. So, the name of the letter you learned today is letter S and the sound which makes is S. The sound which makes is S. Let's find out the words begin with letter S. Sun. What it is? Sun. Snake. Snake. Swan. Swan. Soap. Soap. Socks, socks, satin, satin. So, we learn about letter S. The sound of the letter S is S. S. The sound of the letter is S. Now, the next letter is letter A. This is uppercase A and we also call it capital A. This is small a and we also call it lowercase a. This is uppercase A. This is lowercase a. The name of the letter is A. The name of the letter is A. The sound of the letter is A. The sound of the letter is A. So, the name of the letter is A and the sound which makes is A. The sound which makes is A. Do you know the name of the letter now? Can you say sound it makes? Yes, the name of the letter is A. The sound it makes is A. The sound it makes is A. Let's find out the words begin with sound A. Apple. Apple. Astronaut. Astronaut. Alligator. Alligator. Ant. Ant. Arrow. Arrow. X. So you got to know many words begin with sound A. A mixed with sound A. Now our next letter is letter P. This is uppercase P. This is lowercase p. We also call it as capital P and this we also call it as small p. Uppercase P, lowercase p, capital P, small p. The name of the letter is P. The name of the letter is P. The sound of the letter is P. The sound of the letter is P. So, the name of the letter is P and sound which makes is P. The sound which makes is P. Do you know the name of letter now? Can you say sound it makes? Yes, the name of the letter is P and P makes with sound P. P makes with sound P. Now let's find out the words begin with P sound. P. Pilot. P. Pilot. P. Penguin. P. Penguin. P. Pencil. P. Pencil. P. Pentagon. P. Pentagon. P. Pizza. P. Pizza. P. Paint. P. Paint. P. Paint. So you got to know many words begin with per sound. Now let's learn about letter T. This is uppercase T. We also call it as capital T. This is lowercase t. We also call it as small t. The name of the letter is T, T, T. T, T, T. The name of the letter is T, T, T. T, T, T. The sound of the letter is T, T, T. The sound of the letter is T, 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 T. The sound of the letter is T, T, T. So the name of the letter is T and the sound which makes is T. The sound which makes is T. Do you know the name of the letter now? Can you say sound it makes? Yes, the name of the letter is T. And T makes with sound T. T makes with sound T. T, T, toys. T, T, toys. T, T, tie. T, T, tie. T, T, tent. T, T, tent. T, T, table. T, T, table. T, T, tiger. T, T, tiger. T, T, train. T, T, train. So today we learnt about letter S, letter A, letter P, letter T. Letter S makes with sound S. Letter S makes with sound S. Snake, soap. Letter A makes with sound A. Letter A makes with sound A. Ant. Apple. Next is letter P. Letter P makes with sound P. Letter P makes with sound P. Letter T. Letter T makes with sound T. Letter T makes with sound T. So, kids, practice this at home along with the words begin with the same sound. And here are some activities for you to complete. First, what are the name of the letters you learned today? What sound do they make? Name 3 objects you find at home begin with S, A, T, P. Okay, kids. See you in the next session with more letter sounds. Bye. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.